After personally encountering the frustrating YouTube DLL403 forbidden error and persistent cookie issues, and spending considerable time testing numerous approaches, I've successfully identified several effective solutions. I'm now going to guide you through these verified methods to get your downloads working flawlessly. First, we address updating YouTube DL itself. Outdated versions frequently lack the latest parsing rules or authentication protocols required to interact with evolving website structures, leading to the server rejecting an unrecognized client with a 403 error. Updating ensures compatibility incorporates recent bug fixes and allows YouTube DL to properly interpret site changes, thereby resolving many access denials. Next, we focus on using a fresh cookies file. Stale, expired, or corrupted cookies are a primary cause of 403 forbidden errors because they fail to authenticate your request with the server. A fresh, valid cookies file provides the necessary authentication tokens, making your download request appear legitimate and granting access. Thirdly, implementing a custom user agent string is crucial. Websites often block requests from generic or unrecognized user agents, perceiving them as automated bots. By providing a valid browser-specific user agent string, you effectively disguise your YouTube DL client as a standard web browser, which can trick the server into granting access. Finally, utilizing a proxy or VPN can be a game changer. Geographical restrictions, IP-based rate limiting, or even temporary IP blocks can trigger 403 errors. A proxy or VPN changes your apparent IP address and location, effectively circumventing these server-side blocks and making your request originate from a different, unblocked network, restoring your download capabilities.